guys, welcome back to my channel, Chelsea's So Random, and today we have a game day, in my opinion, a game day feast. We got pizza, wings, and some puffs, okay, with some various sauces on the side. I'll show you guys later, but let's get the praying and let's get to eat. Amen. Yeah, I did that so many takes because I didn't feel like I pronounced well, but either way, hopefully I understood it's time to eat. Okay, so I have some pepperoni pizza from Costco, y'all. Do not sleep on Costco. A whole pizza, a gigantic pizza, is under $10. You only get two flavors, pepperoni or cheese, but either or. You can't miss that deal, okay? And these puffs are from Trader Joe's. They're the white cheddar puffs. And this chicken is from Walmart. Don't skip on that deli section either, okay? All right, what we want to do first. Oh, and on the side, y'all, we have some water. So today's theme is a Super Bowl party theme because you know the Chiefs and the Eagles are going head to head this Sunday on the 9th. Y'all, this is piping hot, y'all. Look at that. Can y'all see? Okay, now yes, y'all, I did put this baby back in the oven, but no modification other than that. Y'all, do not sleep on Costco pizza. Okay, sauces, y'all. We got Blue Hog's Wild Wing Sauce. You're gonna see what they do. This is what it look like. Okay, we're gonna scoop these back. Okay, and we're gonna, it's a little dot, because y'all, I'm only but so experimental. Then we got the sweet, what's it say? Mary Sharp Sweet Habanero Pepper Sauce. My husband got these, y'all. I did not know what he was gonna get me, but we gonna see. Y'all, I'm scared. Can y'all see? I'm scared. Oh, it's like a jelly. Hold on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. It's like a jelly. Okay. And then we got some, you know, ranch for the pizza. Okay. Can y'all see that? It's white. It's white on white. We're gonna dip it in there. Give y'all the first bite. Well, second bite actually. Look at that. Y'all. So good. Yes. Ranch on pizza? Yes. Disclaimer again, y'all. You will hear kitchen sounds. You will hear my baby in the background. You hear my husband. You're gonna hear all that. Just a forewarning, y'all. So floppy. Look at that. These puffs, delicious. Okay, let me stop being a little chicken and try this sauce. Y'all had the first bite. Look at that. Look at that crunch, y'all. Okay. All right, let's try this jelly habanero, y'all. Oh gosh, y'all, look at that. It's gonna hurt me. It's gonna hurt me. I know it is. bad. More sweet than anything, so I can take that. But seriously, why is ranch on pizza so freaking good? Wow. It's so creamy and like almost savory a bit. Babe. Your dad is coming, sweetie. Y'all, should I go through? Okay. Y'all. Look at that. Y'all having a kid is amazing, but they don't care if you film it or not. Look. I'm addicted to these puffs. Look at that, y'all. Take a bite. I did not put a bib on today, y'all. We out of paper towels and have napkins now, but only for this mukbang, I'm doing no napkin, y'all. Okay. All right. Some more sauces. I'm like almost like I'm babysitting a little bit with these sauces. Let's read up. Ugh. Oh, goodness gracious. Once again, this is the sauce, the sweet habanero sauce that I have. Overall, this whole setup, including the whole pizza, will cost you 20 bucks. And you can feed at least 4 people with this. It's too good. Anyone pulling for the Eagles? I know my mom-in-law is, y'all. She love her Eagles. There you go. Look at that. Oh, I love that brownies. At this point, I got habanero and ranch on my pizza. So good. How y'all doing today? Look, I really asked y'all that question. How are y'all doing? Hopefully y'all well. Look at that. Take a bite, y'all. Well. Yo, the ranch with the habanero on a pizza. Oh snap. Ooh. Y'all. Y'all. Ooh, digestion. Y'all, we done. We're done. You know what I say? When the food gone, we gone. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel and share with your friend and your enemy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.